with a focus on the common man. Every tax levied on common man's daily use items have gone through a rigorous looking into, and in most cases the rates have come down drastically. All this will be effective 22nd September 2025, which is the first day of Navaratri.
ऑलरेडी फाटल्या 13 वर्षाच्या कार्यकाळात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजीन गरिबी दारिद्र्य रेषेखालच्या मनशाक वयर हाडपाचो जो प्रयत्न केला आणि नेक्स्ट जेन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म हातूंतल्यान आनीकूय खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात ताजो फायदो व सामान्य मनशाक जातलो आणि खऱ्या अर्थात आमी जेका म्हणटा की विकसीत भारत 2047 हे स्वप्न साकार करपा खातीर नेक्स्ट जेन जीएसटी रिफॉर्माचो हो खरोखरूच एक फाउंडेशन आसा, एक स्टेप फुडें आसा हातूंतल्यान दिसून येता.
This is something which has been done with out of the box thinking by our honorable Prime Minister and Finance Minister to give relief to the common man, to give relief to farmers, to give relief to the small shopkeepers, to the small traders. All this happening all together at one time, and it was noteworthy that it was an unanimous decision, because in the, as you know, in the GST Council you have people from ruling as well as the opposition. Overall collection सुद्धा आज तुम्ही पळयल्यार 1.84 lakh crore last time collection झाला ते.
चडशे 18%चे 5% गेल्या, 28%चे 18% गेल्या. तातूंतल्यान सर्वसामान्य मनशाक बरोच फायदो जातलो. तातूंत जी काही ऑक्सिजन आनी हेचेर बाकीचे बारीक गाडयो तेचेर खूब कमी जाला.
इट इज व्हेरी इजी नाव फॉर फायलिंग ऑफ रिटर्न बी खूब कमी जातले. जे कॉम्प्लायन्स आशिल्ले ते रिड्यूस जातले. पीपल विल बी मोर कम्फर्टेबल इन, एंड मुख्य म्हणजे कितें जाता कंटिन्युअसली ते चेंजीस जाताले न्ही इन स्लॅब्स किंवा ह्या आयटमाचो आतां 12% आसा, मागीर फुडल्या मिटिंगेन 18%. सो जे फ्लक्च्युएटिंग जाताले दॅट इज बिकम स्टेबिलायज्ड, आनी मोर एंड मोर कॉन्फिडन्स विल कम फॉर पीपल ऑन GST.
Hotels having 7.5 and above would be levied GST of 18% with full input. Now what happens if one room goes up to say 8,000 rupees, only one room in a year? Are you liable to pay GST at 18% throughout the year, or you're liable to pay 18% only for that one room? If so, how do you separate input for that one room? So this is a question of ambiguity which will have to be clarified after studying in detail. So far we have not been able to find out.
It's a welcome step सगळ्यांक आमकां, कित्याक ज्यो गाडयो आमचे कडेन लास्ट 6 म्हयने जाले पडून आशिल्ल्यो किंवा दे वर स्टॉक पायलिंग अप बिकॉज मार्केट सेंटिमेंट्स देविल्ले. This is a perfect हे for all of us to boost our sale in term. लोकांच्या हातानूय आतां पयशे चड गळटले, कित्याक हो जो बेनिफीट आसा प्रत्येक गोष्टीचेर, most of the goods items have come down, so which will benefit our consumers eventually.